Hi, how to become data-driven HR professional? By learning HR Data Analytics online. By learning HR Data Analytics online, you can get praises from your boss for easy decision making and get praises for 2x rewards. If you have got three things: number one, HR skills and a knowledge to share in the department. Number two, a laptop or desktop with internet connection. Number three, willingness to learn. Everything you need to know will be taught in HR Data Analytics Live Masterclass, which has helped more than 200 HR professionals learn HR Data Analytics online and become successful. All you have to do is click on the sign up button to book your spot right now for free. It is very limited offer, so book your seats right now before I increase the price. See you in the live masterclass. Thank you.